Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. So this is part 2 of this video on how to fix weak flippers, and I just fixed it. If you watched the previous video, we were diagnosing what the problem was, and I had a weak flipper that when the ball would hit it, it would knock it back down, which was very, very odd. Let's start a game real quick. So the normal way a flipper works is when it's up, it should bounce off of it, so like that. Well, this left one, when it was up, the ball would hit it and it would push the flipper back. So let's see if it's working right now. There we go. See, it's staying there. Got a lot more power. Not doing it. Obviously, if you hit it hard enough, it will. Give me that ball. But that's what we want. That's good. That's good. So basically what I did, I took an 1/8" Allen wrench, and there's some little set screws. That's what it is. They're set screws. This is the flipper bat, and it goes down and it connects through a little hole through the plunger assembly. And there's 2 set screws on that, and they were loose. And this is a very common problem with these games where the flippers become loose or they get out of alignment. When you're aligning them, you want this to be a nice straight line between the inlane rail and the flipper. So you want to you can almost, put a ruler or a pencil there and use that to measure it. Some games actually have a little hole here where you can stick a nail, and that's also useful. So looks like we got it working now. Okay, so not too difficult a repair job. Sometimes it's just a mechanical thing, something loose. Sometimes it's a little bit more of an electrical, but cleaning the contacts also wouldn't hurt. So onward, just continuing to slog through, fix it, all the little things. Adjusting and aligning the flippers is always an important thing to do. Make sure you do that with the game off, because when you got a metal tool underneath there, you don't want to accidentally touch it to something that's hot, short something out. So until next time, be sure to subscribe, YouTube/PinballHelp, and thanks for watching.